First tag is HTML. So I write two angular brackets in between HTML word. Next main tag is head tag. Inside the head tag, we can write scripting languages and title tag. So I insert title tag. Title is the summary of web page. When the first user visited your website, they identify your website using title. So I insert title, first web page. Now I close title tag first. After closing the title tag, I will close head tag. Now I open my body tag. All the web pages first include the heading. So now I am going to insert heading to my web page. There are several types of headings according to their size. Most biggest size of heading is H1 headings. H2 headings smaller than H1 headings. H6 is the smallest heading. We can insert H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 headings to our web page. Here I type my heading, web page. First page, I type first page. I now close my H1 tags. Now I am going to open my paragraph tag. I want to insert a paragraph. We can insert any length of paragraph within this paragraph tag. I simply type, this is my web page in my paragraph. This is my first web page. Now I am closing my paragraph tag. Now I close my body tag. And also at last I close my HTML tag. Now we want to see how this notepad text displayed in my web browser. So I am going to save this document. I click File, Save. I save this document in my desktop. So I click Desktop and I type the name for this document. So I type first. Every web page extension is HTML. So I type first.html. Save as type, also all files. So I select all files. So now I am save my document. File name first.html, save as type all files. Now I press save button. Now I am going to see this web page created in my desktop. Now I minimize this window and go back to my desktop. Now I open my browser file name first in my desktop. You can now see how my web page displays contents. In the title tag, I type first web page. You can see it displayed in the tag. I type my heading as in H1 tag as first page. It's also displayed. And I add paragraph. This is my first web page. It's also displayed in the this page, web browser page. So now we are going to insert the font types and colors to this H1 and paragraph tag. Don't close this notepad. If you close the notepad, you can't reopen it. So always minimize the notepad and open the browser file. Now I again go to the notepad. Now I want to insert the font tab. Font tab. So I insert font tag here. Font type. We can select any available web fonts. I here type Arial and color. Color is blue. I insert font tag. Font type is Arial. Color is blue. Now I close my font tag before the H1 tag. Now I save this document. I save file, save. Now I again go to the web browser file in my desktop and refresh it. Now I press reload or refresh. You can see HY heading is now in blue color. Okay, I want to increase my paragraph font size. So now I am going to do it. In this after the paragraph tag, I insert font type size I type 20 and color red. Within this font tag, we can easily attributes. Font is a tag, size, color, type are the attributes. Now I close my font tagging paragraph tag. So font is the tag, size, color, type, other attributes. 20, red, Arial, blue are the values of that attribute. I save this document. File, save. Now I again minimize this document and go back to my web browser file. I press refresh. Now you can see my web paragraph font size is increased to 20. It's in red color. Font is font type I use is Arial. But there's a problem. My heading is smaller than paragraph. It can't be happen. So now I want to increase the font size of my heading. I will show how to do that. I insert